Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Google Pixel 2 screen protector I purchased from Amazon. It is also Spigen brand, and I review this case in another video. So go ahead, check that out if you're looking for a great phone case. And then here's the screen protectors. This is how they come packaged to you. Just a shipping label on the other side. Bought mine from Amazon. All right, here we go. Just a receipt. I think they were like $6, $8, $10, but it's a 2-pack, so this is awesome. Really got to have good screen protection on your, $600 to $1,000 device. So here's how it comes. It looks really good. I've always liked their packaging. So just a slim, premium tempered glass screen protector, 9/8 strong surface, rounded edges, extreme durability, and perfect grip. Again, 2-pack, compatible with their phone case, which is the case that I bought. So that's always something to consider too. So it looks really good. They look really nice. Now we'll go ahead and try to open it up. All right, let's dive right in. Ooh, perfect. Great. Everything that I expect for them. So 2 lens cleaning wipes. Awesome. You're definitely going to need these. Here's one of the screen protectors. 2 tabs here, and then the back sticker to remove. So that's really helpful. I'll put that in there. Microfiber cloth and a dust removal sticker. Cool. So they really give you all the tools you need. Here's if you have any problems with the rounded edge of the screen. So really helpful. Here's a user manual. They're a great company. They have really awesome stuff. So it's going to be in a couple of different languages to show you how to install. Thank you. They want a good review. So here's the English install guide. So after washing your hands thoroughly, clean the screen of the device with the wet cleaner. Peel off the protective film and peel back the GLAS by using the tab marked back. Align the GLAS with the device by holding the edges of each end and gently press the GLAS on the front of your device. Simply press the center of the GLAS and the adhesive will apply itself. Do not apply too much pressure during this process. Remove the front protective film of the GLAS by using the clear tab. Remove any bubbles by gently pushing outwards from the center. Allow 1 to 2 days for smaller bubbles to fully disappear. So really straightforward, typical screen installation guide right there, but really happy that they give you this problem note too to watch out for the curved edges, but really blown away that they even give you 2 cleaning wipes and these dust removal stickers and the little microfiber cloth. So really thankful for them. What a great company. What a great phone case. Excited to go ahead and get that on my phone. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, the link to this is in the description. You can also check out my Google Pixel 2 unboxing and my Google Pixel 2 case review, which is from the same company. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.